Welcome to a 5-minute guided meditation. Find a quiet and peaceful place. Sit comfortably in a chair with a straight back or lie down on the floor or bed. Close your eyes and rest your hands on your thighs or anywhere they can easily relax. Bring your attention to your breath. Breathe naturally. Notice and observe how your body moves with each breath. Your chest and belly rising and falling. Air flowing in and out. When your mind starts to wander, simply notice it. Gently bring your focus back to your breath. Now identify and name the emotion you are feeling, without trying to push it away or label it as good or bad. For example, say to yourself in your mind, I feel angry and frustrated, or I feel helpless and desperate. Observe how you feel and fully accept the emotion. Let it be as it is, and breathe naturally. Slowly scan your body from head to toe. Find areas of tension or discomfort where you feel this emotion. If you feel like crying, cry. If your hands are shaking, let them shake. Let the emotion flow freely. Take a deep breath through your nose, filling your lungs with air. Slowly exhale through your mouth and imagine releasing that tension from your body. Let's do that again. Take a deep breath through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat that 3 more times. Bring your attention back to the room. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly stretch your body and roll your shoulders. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Notice how you feel without rushing. Take this moment to appreciate the peace and stillness you have created. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, and see you next time.